Let's talk taxes. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. We all have to pay taxes, right? It's how the government funds important services like healthcare and education. Tax brackets are simply income ranges that are taxed at different rates. Think of them like shelves in a library, each shelf representing a different income level. Each shelf has a different tax rate. Why should you care? Understanding tax brackets helps you understand how much tax you owe and plan your finances better. Canada has a progressive tax system. This means the more you earn, the higher the tax rate on your additional income. It's like climbing those library shelves. The higher you go, the higher the tax rate on that particular shelf. This system aims to create fairness by ensuring that those who can afford to contribute more do so. In 2024, Canada has these federal tax brackets: 15% on the first $50,197 of taxable income, 20.5% on income between $50,198 and $100,392, 26% on income between $100,393 and $155,625, 29% on income between $155,626 and $221,708, 33% on income over $221,709. Remember, these are just the federal rates. We'll talk about provincial taxes next. Section 4, Provincial Taxes, Ontario as an example. Each province and territory in Canada also has its own tax rates. Let's take Ontario as an example. In 2024, Ontario has these tax brackets: 5.05% on the first $49,231 of taxable income, 9.15% on income between $49,231 and $98,465, 11.16% on income between $98,466 and $150,000, 12.16% on income between $150,001 and $220,000, 13.16% on income over $220,001. Remember, you'll need to pay both federal and provincial taxes. Section 5, Calculating your taxes, a step-by-step guide. Let's say you live in Ontario and earn $60,000 in 2024. How would you calculate your taxes? 1. Federal taxes. 15% on the first $50,197 equals $7,529.55. 20.5% on the remaining $9,803, which is $60,000 minus $50,197 equals $2,010.62. Total federal tax, $7,529.55 plus $2,010.62 equals $9,540.17. 2. Provincial taxes, Ontario. 5.05% on the first $49,231 equals $2,486.08. 9.15% on the remaining $10,769, which is $60,000 minus $49,231 equals $985.63. Total provincial tax, $2,486.08 plus $985.63 equals $3,471.71. 3. Total income tax, $9,540.17 federal plus $3,471.71 Ontario equals $13,011.88. So on an income of $60,000, you would pay approximately $13,011.88 in total income tax. Section 6, Marginal versus Average Tax Rates. What's the difference? You'll often hear the terms marginal tax rate and average tax rate thrown around. Let's break them down. Marginal tax rate. This is the tax rate you pay on every extra dollar you earn. For example, in Ontario, if you earn $60,000, your marginal tax rate is 33.44%, which is 20.5% federal plus 12.16% Ontario, meaning you pay 33.44 cents in tax for every extra dollar you earn within that tax bracket. Average tax rate. This is the total tax you pay divided by your total income. In our example above, your average tax rate would be around 21.69%, which is $13,011.88 divided by $60,000. Understanding the difference between these rates helps you make informed financial decisions. Understanding tax brackets is crucial for everyone, especially if you want to take control of your finances. While I've tried to make this as simple as possible, remember that tax laws can be complex and change frequently. Always consult with a qualified tax professional for personalized advice.